Hey, good morning or good afternoon, depending on where you are around the world. Fired up and grateful for another day to share with you. On this channel, we're going to talk about mindset, personal development, and building a business online. And if this is your first time, welcome. Lunch breaks, parking lot, phone in one hand, sandwich in the other. That's where I was when I realized the turnkey system I've been using from my phone had actually finds me while I hadn't touched a thing all morning. Every time you need to run a real business, lives on the phone, a personal development app your customers use daily, a web builder that sets your pages up for you, and a personal coach from founders 5 days a week. So if you never had to figure it out alone or stare at tech tutorials at midnight, the reason I went from posting every single day with zero engagement to strangers reaching out to me, it's because the system does the selling and the follow up. Meaning, you stop chasing people and start waking up to notifications instead of silence. You only need two customers to be in profit. So, that isn't some kind of grind for years before you see a dollar situation. It builds. So you feel momentum fast enough that it actually keeps going. If what I just walked you through resonates with you and you want a done for you sales system with 80 cents on every dollar back to you, click the link in the description below. And as always, do something good for someone else in the space of knowing they can't repay you.